Welcome to the Kuya and Ate show, part 11. Yeah, 11. The snowy winter thingy version. Okay, so you're gonna see Angeline, my cousin, is gonna slide down the hill. Okay, go! I'm here. I'm coming.
This is ice.
It's not snow anymore. It's like the whole world is a refrigerator.
Hello.
Climb, climb, climb up the very steep snowy hill. It's my turn. I'm gonna go get my gloves. Take this. Awesome. Oh my gloves.
That's tiring.
Huh?
Putting it back up the hill. Alright. So you can see my hair is really messed up because we just woke up. So here goes Nathan. Okay, maybe not. With his
Help
pink
me.
gloves.
Okay.
Are you okay? Are you okay? He crashed into the gate. I got that on video!
That was awesome. Can I glove? Oh, that was awesome. I went so fast. Did you see me?
No, and then you just crashed.
I was like Victoria.
That's the end of Kuya and Ate Show Snow Part 1.
No, it's not.
Part 2 is coming soon.